Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Indoraptor and an Indominus Rex Hybrid. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Indoraptor Indominus Rex Hybrid, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to curve it back. Next, we're going to make a little curve right here for the eye. And then I'm going to make a couple little lines underneath there. Right around here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, over, and then down. Now, starting right about here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to go down. And then I'm going to make a little kind of wavy line that's going to go up and then down here for the back of the mouth. Starting here, I'm going to draw this line down. I'm going to bring this over. We're going to come up and kind of curve it around. Then we'll make a little line right there. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down. I'm going to make a couple more little kind of spike shapes like this. Now I want to fill up this mouth with some teeth, but I'm going to make these teeth kind of very snaggly. They're going to be kind of going all over. Some different sizes on here. And a little curve line here. I'm going to make another little kind of curved broken line here, and the same thing right underneath here. Next, I'm going to make a few more kind of little curved lines that come down here. And I'm going to make a couple little curved lines here, just to kind of show where the neck is bending. Next, I'm going to bring some of these lines up and then down for like some spike shapes on here. And then I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to draw some little lines just kind of curve down here for the neck. Bring the little lines going to come down and up here, just kind of wavy. Then right here I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down. Then we're going to bring this line back here and then down. We're going to curve it down to a point and up, and we'll do this a couple more times. Curve it down to a point and up. We'll add one over here too. Next, I'm going to bring this line over, and then I'm going to bring it up here. Starting here, I'm going to come down and then up. And then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to angle it back here. I want to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve this down to a point and back, and then one more down to a point. I'll make one more point here, and I'm going to bring this up with a little claw right here. I'm going to curve this line up, and then bring this line around here. Now for this other leg, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here at an angle. And then I'm going to bring this back and come down to a point. And then another one here down to a point. Bring this up and down and right up here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to curve it down to a point and then up. Then I'm going to bring this line down and up here, kind of like where the thumb would be. I'll make another one here, and then one more here. Then we'll bring this over to here. Now I'm going to bring this line out. Now I'm going to curve this up. And I'm going to make it nice and skinny, and then it's going to get bigger and bigger as it comes back towards the body. Now we have our basic shape. We just want to come in here and start adding some of the different details. So I'm going to curve this up, and I'm going to add another little kind of broken line shape right up here. I'm going to add a little broken line down here that kind of travels down. I like to add some little broken lines here where the ribs would be. I'm going to add some little lines in here. We're going to add some curves on the claws and on the toes. And I always add some extra little ones just for some little detail to kind of show where the wrinkles and stuff would be. And then some extra little lines right up here. And some more little curved lines on here. Some little lines here, and then some extra little lines right around the arms. I'm going to make some long broken lines that come right down the back here. And right across the top of the head. I'm going to add some little long lines right around here. And then also we're going to make some of those long spikes that the Indoraptor and both the Indominus Rex have. So just some of kind of these long little spikes here. Some different size ones. We'll even kind of put some onto the arms as well. I'll even throw just a few on the back here too. Just some long kind of pointed spikes, different sizes. Make a couple little broken lines on the tail too. And just a few right around here. Then the eye, we're just going to give it a little kind of like pointy pupil. And a little detail around the nose. I like to add some little lines right around the mouth. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Indominus Rex and Indoraptor hybrid. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.